we are seeing a sort of profit booking in markets. Days are continuously selling, 1056 crore of outflow. What was the index futures and options activity by FIs? No activity in index futures as such, only 281 crore of buy at the lower levels. What was index options indicating? If you'll see then in Nifty, somewhere around 15,200 to 50 zone, uh, there was put buying and call selling by FIs. Some 53,000 put were bought by FIs and some 35,000 call were short by FIs. At 14,800, 14,850 zone strike, you will see that there was a call bought by FIs, some 47,000 call options were bought by FIs, and there was some 29,000 put which were sell by FIs. So it shows that this is the zone in which FIs are playing. However, if you look at put buying, then 53,000 is a strong buying by FIs at the levels of 15,000, 200, 250, strong resistance zone. If you look at Bank Nifty, then what has happened? 35, 500, 35, 600 was the support zone at which there was call which was bought by FIs, there was put which was sold by FIs at 35, 900, 36,000 which was the resistance. You saw that we saw that put were bought by FIs and call were sold by FIs. So that is the zone of some 600 odd points in Bank Nifty on which we might see the activity. Now look at the stock futures. FIs bought some 319 crore. They covered their short positions and created some sort of long positions. Uh, if you look at Nifty Vitals, PCR of 1.19, decent PCR, basis has gone down, and we have seen some around 28% call option writing has increased. This shows that there might remain resistance at 15,200, 15,250 on Nifty, and if you look at option chain, then 14,800, 850, as I discussed, some 6.9 lakh contracts were added in put, and 15,100, 150 to 15,200, 250. We saw somewhere around 28 lakh contracts were added in call options. That is how it is resistance zone. 20-day MA lies at 14,870, 10-day MA lies at 15,065. We saw on Friday that Nifty opened at 10-day MA and closed below it. So that remains the resistance. 15,065 remains the resistance. What is the support zone for today? 14,760, 14,870. This is a 110 point zone, which is a strong support. 1510 is the target for today, first target. There will be support. All the price indicators are oversold. We might see a recovery. 15110 is the first target for today. Look for its breakout. If there's a breakout, then the most important zone is 15180, 15210. 30-point cluster. This is the zone at which the maximum activity had happened on Friday, and from there the breakout has happened, the breakdown has happened. So this is a very important zone. I have discussed this in earlier shows also. The breakout of this zone 15180, 15210 will resume the uptrend. I reiterate my multi-day buy with stop loss at 14380 for target of 610. This I am reiterating since last Wednesday. Okay, now Bank Nifty Vitals, the PCR of 0.76, perfect buy zone. 0.7, zero point 0.8 is a very good PCR for Bank Nifty to buy. There's no basis, so there's no interest by bulls as of now. But in last hour of Friday, we saw some activity by bulls on Nifty and Bank Nifty both. If you look at the call option, some 49% call writing has increased in weekly near next far expiry. So it shows that there will be resistance at 36,000 level. So what is the trade setup? If you look at the option chain, then 35,500, 35,600, so around 4 lakh contracts were added in put. This shows that strong support I discussed earlier. Also, it is the level at which FI has also bought 35,900, 36,000, 6 lakh contracts were added in call open interest. It was the level at which FI has also created short positions. Where's the breakout? 36,300, 36,400 is the breakout zone. If there's a breakout, we might see Nifty going, Bank Nifty again resuming the uptrend. 20-day MA lies at 35,030, 10-day MA lies at 30,037. It opened on Friday above 10-day MA and closed below it. 35,400, 35,550, 150 point zone, very strong support zone today. 35,990 is the breakout zone. Look for a breakout of 35,990. 36,330, 36,410 is a 80-point fib cluster. maximum activity has happened at this level on Friday, and this is the level which I was discussing since last Wednesday. That is a very important zone. Okay. Now, if there's a breakout of this zone any day, then the uptrend will resume. I reiterate my multi-day buy with a stop loss of 35,400 for a target of 38,800. This trade setup I'm discussing since last Friday, last Wednesday. That if you get buy somewhere around at this level at 35, somewhere around 35,500, 36,000 level, you should buy. The uptrend might resume, and we might again see some 38,800 levels in Bank Nifty. So this was a trade setup for Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. Join our Telegram channel. Do join our social media handles. We have a social SMA family of 25,000 plus members. Do scan the QR code from here and join the social media handles. Thanks for watching Nifty Morning Well with Sharath. Have a very nice trading day ahead.